Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this sporty 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels. You also get full LED headlights, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, speed limit recognition and blind spot detection. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car has also got a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 2-litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 150 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 18,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.